Hello, everyone. Welcome to Orange Interior Design, your go-to channel for all things interiors, style, and home inspiration. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. And if you're already part of our community, thank you for tuning in again. Oh, and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to transform your home with some serious London style. Today, we're diving into the world of London's best interior designers. These talented professionals are redefining how we think about spaces, combining artistry, practicality, and a deep understanding of individual needs to craft homes that truly feel like sanctuaries. Whether you're planning a full home makeover, transforming your interiors to accommodate a growing family, or simply want to refresh your living space with a pop of style, you're in for a treat. But why does London stand out as such a vibrant hub for interior design? The answer lies in the city's unique character. London is a patchwork of architectural styles, from historic Georgian townhouses to sleek modern skyscrapers. This diversity offers designers an unparalleled canvas to explore their creativity. It also means that they must master the art of tailoring their designs to suit spaces of all shapes, sizes, and eras. Imagine turning a Victorian terrace with original cornicing into a modern family home without losing its charm, or transforming a compact Soho flat into a multifunctional yet stylish haven. What makes London's designers truly special is their ability to combine form and function seamlessly. They know how to work with the city's quirks like narrow hallways, awkwardly shaped rooms, or limited natural light, and turn potential challenges into standout features. Whether it's incorporating custom-built furniture to maximize every square inch or using innovative lighting to enhance the ambience, London designers bring an unparalleled level of ingenuity to their craft. So, grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's get started. By the end of this video, you'll not only feel inspired, but also empowered with ideas to turn your space into something extraordinary. Let's explore the transformative magic of London interior design together. London is a city that effortlessly combines history with modernity, and its interior designers reflect that same energy. They're masters of blending traditional charm with contemporary trends, creating spaces that feel both timeless and fresh. Now, when we talk about interior design, it's not just about making a space look beautiful. It's about creating a home that reflects your personality, meets your needs, and, yes, brings a little wow factor. And London's interior designers are some of the best in the world at doing just that. Let's take a closer look at what makes these designers so special. London interior design is as diverse as the city itself. From the grand Georgian townhouses of Chelsea to the sleek modern apartments of Canary Wharf, every home tells a story. What sets London designers apart is their ability to weave those stories into the fabric of their designs. Take, for example, the concept of layering. Many London homes are smaller compared to countryside estates, so designers use clever techniques to maximize space. Mirrors, multifunctional furniture, and smart storage solutions are all staples of their toolkit. But they don't stop there. They lay textures, colors, and patterns to add depth and character to a room. Layering is all about balance. You start with a neutral base like soft grays or warm beiges and build on it with textured throws, patterned cushions, or even a statement rug. It's like painting a picture. Every element adds a new dimension. And speaking of textures, let's not forget one of London's signature design elements: natural materials. Think reclaimed wood, marble countertops, and even exposed brick walls. These elements bring a touch of the outdoors inside and create a sense of harmony. Now, let's shine a light on some of London's top interior designers. These are the creative minds turning ordinary spaces into extraordinary homes. Well, we can't cover everyone in one video. Here are a few who truly stand out. Our first designer specializes in minimalist luxury. Their approach is all about clean lines, open spaces, and high-quality materials. Picture a penthouse with floor-to-ceiling windows, flooded with natural light. Their designs are proof that less truly can be more. But minimalism isn't for everyone, right? If you're someone who loves bold colors and dramatic statements, then you'll love our next designer. This designer's style is all about embracing color and pattern. Think jewel-toned velvet sofas, striking wallpaper, and art that doubles as a conversation starter. Their work is a reminder that your home can and should be a reflection of your personality. And let's not forget those designers who are masters of blending the old with the new. London is filled with historic homes, and restoring them while adding a modern twist is no small feat. Restoring a historic home is like uncovering a hidden gem. You want to preserve its original charm while making it functional for modern living. It's about respect for the past and a vision for the future. So, how do you choose the right interior designer for your project? It's a big decision, and you want to make sure you get it right. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. First, do your research. Look at portfolios, read reviews, and, if possible, visit spaces they've designed. This will give you a sense of their style and whether it aligns with your vision. But don't stop there, reach out to past clients if you can. Hearing firsthand about their experiences can provide invaluable insight into what it's like to work with that designer. Did they stick to the budget? Were they communicative and easy to work with? Did the result match the client's initial expectations? It's also essential to delve deeper into their portfolio. Look beyond the surface aesthetics to understand the thought process behind their designs. For example, notice how they handle tricky spaces, like oddly shaped rooms or areas with limited natural light. Are they able to turn these challenges into strengths? Do their designs feel livable and practical, or are they more focused on creating a dramatic impact? Another tip: follow your potential designers on social media. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are goldmines for understanding their style, approach, and personality. Many designers share behind-the-scenes looks at ongoing projects, design tips, and even their personal inspirations. This can give you a deeper connection to their work and help you decide if they're the right fit for your project. Lastly, consider their adaptability. While most designers have a signature style, the best ones are versatile and able to tailor their approach to suit your specific tastes and requirements. Look for evidence of diversity in their work, whether it's a sleek modern apartment, a cozy traditional home, or an eclectic mix of both. Remember, your home is an extension of you, and the right designer will make sure it tells your story. Second, communication is key. You need to feel comfortable sharing your ideas and giving feedback. A good designer will listen to you and collaborate with you every step of the way. Finally, set a clear budget. Interior design is an investment, but it's important to have a realistic idea of what you're willing to spend. Be upfront about your budget so your designer can plan accordingly. And don't be afraid to ask questions. Remember, this is your home. You want to work with someone who understands your needs and can bring your vision to life. When discussing your project with a potential designer, consider asking about their previous experience with homes like yours. For example, if you live in a period property, you might want to know how they've balanced modern updates with preserving historical charm. Or, if you're working with a smaller space, ask how they've tackled similar challenges to create functional yet stylish environments. It's also worth discussing their design process. Some designers prefer a hands-on approach, guiding every detail, while others are more collaborative, inviting you to play a more active role. You should feel comfortable with their working style and confident that they respect your preferences while offering their expert advice. Budget is another key topic. Be upfront about what you're willing to invest in your project and ask the designer how they can maximize value within those constraints. The best designers are skilled at finding creative solutions, whether that means repurposing existing furniture or sourcing unique but affordable materials. Finally, talk about timelines. Understanding how long the design and implementation process might take will help you manage expectations and plan accordingly. The last thing you want is to rush decisions that could impact the overall quality of your project. Building a good rapport with your interior designer is crucial. They're not just creating a space. They're crafting a reflection of your personality and lifestyle. Trust and open communication will ensure that the result is a home you love for years to come. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at some interior design trends taking London by storm. Whether you're working with a designer or going the DE route, these trends are sure to inspire. One trend we're seeing a lot of is biophilic design. It's all about bringing nature indoors. Think of lots of greenery, natural light, and organic materials. It's not just beautiful, it's also great for your well-being. Another big trend: vintage revival. People are embracing antiques and vintage finds, giving them new life in modern settings. It's sustainable, unique, and adds so much character to a home. And there you have it, a closer look at some of the best interior designers in London and the incredible work they're doing to transform homes with style. I hope you found this video inspiring and packed with useful tips. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Hit the notification bell so you're the first to know when we upload. Until next time, thanks for watching and happy designing. Quote: taking London by storm. Whether you're working with a designer or going the DE route, these trends are sure to inspire. One trend we're seeing a lot of is biophilic design. It's all about bringing nature indoors. Think of lots of greenery, natural light, and organic materials. It's not just beautiful, it's also great for your well-being. Another big trend: vintage revival. People are embracing antiques and vintage finds, giving them new life in modern settings. It's sustainable, unique, and adds so much character to a home.